Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the upper button. Press and hold it until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. And then you can release it and wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, we can download and install the application required to pair the devices together. And to do that, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Then open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on search and type in GARMIN Jr. and tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, GARMIN Jr by Garmin. Tap on the get button to download and install it. And wait until the application is done installing. In the meantime, we can go to our watch, and if you see the list of languages on the screen, scroll through it, find the language you would like to use and tap on it to select it. Then if you see this pop up, tap on checkmark to confirm and wait. You will see the QR code, which means that the watch is in the pairing mode basically. Now we can tap on open after the application is done installing. And here, as you can see, we need to log in with a Garmin account. If you don't have one, you can always create a new one by tapping on get create Garmin account. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check the box, tap next, and enter the email address and password right here. Okay, and tap on next. As you can see, we need to enter the security code from the email address. Okay, and here we need to enter the code. And as you can see, we have a home page here, and I already have a profile set up for a child. But if you don't have one, you will need to do it before you pair the watch. Basically, you need to tap on plus button, tap on add new child or device. And if you don't have a child, you will need to add new child, of course, new profile for it, and then select it as when you add the new device. I already have a profile, so I'm gonna select it, allow the required permission, and as you can see, it detected our watch, so we can tap on confirm, pair, right here we can get the subscription for the watch. I don't care about it, so I'm gonna tap on skip for now. And here we can connect watch to a Wi-Fi network. You can skip it if you want to, but if you want to connect it, tap on connect to Wi-Fi, okay. Oh, for some reason it can't find the networks. So I'm gonna try that later, so I'm gonna skip it for now. Something is wrong with it, so I'm gonna skip it. And here you can pair more devices or exit the setup. We want to exit the setup, go to our watch, and here we can customize a few settings for it, like a theme. And then we have the effect, I would say. Tap on the check mark, adjust the text size, and then select the ringtone and tap on done. And now you should see the homepage, the watch face, and also your watch should be working. And if you tap on your profile and go to settings, here you should basically be able to change some settings for your watch, like watch faces, alarms, Wi-Fi connectivity, and stuff like that. And if it doesn't say that your watch is not connected or something like that, that means that the devices are connected. And basically that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.